This is the trading journal for Friday, 3/10, and here are all my trades you can see today. We spiked up on the jobs number here, but it was huge tail in the bar, so I was kind of confused, didn't know which way we were going here. If you zoom out further here, which is not shown, but this dotted line is the top of a pivot, a previous pivot on the downtrend on the 60-minute. You can see that right here we're transitioning from, on the 15-minute, from a downtrend to an uptrend. But nonetheless, when we broke out and had that gap here, I got in here and for a scalp up just to the top of this range, one tick away from hitting my profit target. And then when we opened higher here and came back right around break even, since the ask actually went up to 98, even though we didn't trade up there, I moved my stop to break even and got out at a break even stop. When we spiked lower on this really big sell signal bar, I got long at the close. I messed up here near the close. I hit limit order buy, but I didn't notice that the bid had changed from 85 to 86, so that was a one tick mistake there. But I just wasn't patient. So nothing, if you're looking at this, nothing is telling you that this is going to go lower. The fact that we have a very bull strong doji bar next, inside bar next, another inside bar, I just got impatient and got out. And the very next bar, literally the bar I got out on a few seconds later, it went up and hit my profit target. Finally here, I got short on this bar when we broke down from this triangle. However, I didn't like how this completely retraced that bar, so I basically got a wash trade. I got one tick loss there. But then when we had, this was actually technically a mistake with my system too. I shouldn't have gotten in here. But once we have this little symbol here is a breakout, a counter trend breakout. So we have an uptrend, but we're breaking out, closing below the last 20 plus bars. And that's a signal for me to get short. So what I decided is once that bar closed, here's the breakout level at 83. I put a limit order at 83 and see if I got lucky. I did, got filled, got out the very same bar. That was a really quick trade. Now I'm going to go into some more details on what I thought were the best trades today. All right, this was a pretty choppy day and not the best opportunity for swinging anything. This was my best trade today, I thought. We have basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bull bars in a row. Yes, this is more like a doji bar with a big tail above. But up above here, I know that these last two 15-minute bars have tails above, which means we're likely to sell off. The 5-minute, we had a wedge, and we are selling off. But this is still relatively strong. We're likely to turn into a trading range versus just selling off and going lower. So once we closed on this bar, I got long at the close, and my idea was to scalp that out. Because we are seeing trading range behavior, I'm scalping everything so far today. So that was my plan. I screwed up on the exit. I got impatient, even though nothing in the indication of the setup changed. I just got impatient and was a little bit jumpy and got out with a one tick profit versus my scalp of 4 ticks that I should have had.